Dear friends, today we are gonna make a new unboxing. So I wanted to let you know that I've been watching on internet quotation for the Speedmaster by Omega, which is a wonderful watch, of course. As you know, the cost is really high. We're talking about 15,000 euros in some cases, and also 6 or 8,000 euros in other cases. So the price it's in this type of window, and of course it's a very expensive watch. However, Pagani Design, that is a just generic brand that we can find on internet almost everywhere, that makes very nice solid watches made in China, designed by Pagani Design, made a sort of a tribute to the Speedmaster, and of course they made a new design that is very close to the Omega Speedmaster. There are some differences between the two, and because its cost it's only 110 euros today, which is a special price on Amazon, I've decided to buy it to check how it is, if it's been worth to buy it, and if it's really a good looking watch, solid watch. So here we go. This is, I just received it, so turn on the lights to make the video, and here we go. So this is the box, the watch box I received. Okay, it comes with this protection, of course the little tool for and here we have the watch. So let's see. First of all, the first impression, it's really heavy. This is a quartz, okay? It's not an automatic, and has a nice heaviness, heavy feeling, which in my opinion, it's not bad. It's solid, okay? Now, as you can see, there is the logo onto the buckle, and it's very well protected. It's very solid, very solid. So this is already, I would say, a good surprise. So I repeat, I paid only 110 euros. So nothing compared to the 6,000, 8,000. There's a lots of protection everywhere, which is a good thing. Okay, so now we can start looking at this watch. First of all, so now it's 6:30. Now I know that the hands, they have the luminous effect, so at night we can see it, and it is of course a chronograph. Okay, nice buttons. I have to say they feel very solid. Okay, start, then comes back. It's precise. There is the tachymeter, just like the original Speedmaster by Omega. The colors are pretty much the same. Now, even if when you look at it, it looks like the Speedmaster, in reality it doesn't, because there are lots of little differences inside the graphics and the base of this dial. Even the hands are not exactly the same. The dimensions and some proportions are different. I have to tell you that the effect of being a little bit three-dimensional, I don't know if you can see, three-dimensional, you know, where is the chronograph dial, it's even better than the Speedmaster, which is kind of flat. I mean, that's my opinion. The body, the bezel and the body, it's really thick, it's heavy. This is the back. As you can see, there is the graphics applied in the back, that it's a tribute to the moon, okay, moon spaceship mission of the 60s. It's a water resistant 100 meters. And now let's see how big. I think it's 42 Yes, it is a 42 millimeters, okay, and it's roughly 12, 1 centimeter and 3 millimeters thickness. But the good thing, it's heavy, it's solid, it's well done. Believe me, I am very positively impressed about this watch. So let's see a little bit closer so that you can see some details. Very nice. The buckle is really top. It's really well done, to be honest. Okay, there are some extra, as you can see, extra dots so that if you want to, to adjust, it's even easier and faster. Okay, so let me put it. Today I was wearing my Tissot, and let's put this one. Let's see. It fits really well. It looks really nice. The weight, it looks like it's like I really paid. I got what I paid for, and I know it's not the original one. I know. I'm very cautious about that. But at the same time, I like this watch, and I'm very happy that this watch belongs to my collection. I don't know what you think. Now, after this video, I will adjust the bracelet so that the strap, so that I can wear it without any problem, any inconvenience. Okay, I will make some extra videos for the end of this video so that you can see some other details. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Ciao.